Hi, we're just going to take a few minutes to take a look at some of the new features of the Jenx Supine 2. Let's start with the angle adjustable footplate. To adjust the angle on the footplate, there is a wing knob located behind the footplate. Turning the wing knob anti-clockwise or clockwise will move the footplate through plantigrade into some degree of dorsiflexion and plantarflexion. We're now going to look at the tilting space movement, including the improved safety features on the new handset and actuator. If you want to move from a horizontal position to a more upright position or vice versa, the handset has these two arrows here. And as you can see, the stander moves according to the arrow that you press. On the handset itself, there are 4 LED lights that indicate current battery level. As an additional safety feature, once the battery level reaches around 20% of max power, an audible alarm will sound notifying the user that the battery level is running low. If either of these arrows are pressed, the stander itself will return to a safe horizontal position that is more appropriate for safe transfers. As a fail-safe feature, you can also plug the stander into the mains directly and the control box will override those functions. We're now going to look at how you can now attach a chest harness to the supine stander. The harness comes with 4 brackets that are attached to the central column of the supine stander. We've provided 3 examples of attached brackets here. To attach the bracket, you simply slide the barrel nut down the central column like so. And once you've found the appropriate position that you want, you can lock the bracket in place with a 5mm Allen key. Each bracket comes with a cam lock, 4 cam locks to correspond with the 4 straps of the harnesses. The cam locks themselves can change in width and orientation, so you can get the precise positioning that you want for your user. Once you have found the position, you can lock the cam lock in place using the provided 4mm Allen key and 10mm spanner. To fasten the harness, we've already got 3 straps fastened here. You simply loop the strap over the stander and then through the cam lock and pull to the degree of tightness that you need and then lock the cam lock down. Lastly, to attach the safety clip, the strap simply loops through the clip and back on itself. And then you clip down to get a secure place.